Central Vermont was where I was born and raised, and I honestly don't think I will ever leave for good. I love this place, and I love the people here. I love that it's a small town, and actually just recently, and I'm recording this day after I went to a Kiss concert, and that was in Boston. And don't get me wrong, I love the big city, but Vermont is just the perfect size. You know, it's not too big, it's not too small. The big city's nice and all, and it's nice to go there for a visit, tour the city, but I would not like to live there. Vermont has nice small communities. It's just the right size to live in. Got a sister. She was born in 2008. It was a month and a half after my grandpa died, my papa. And I remember him saying that, he wanted to meet my sister, and he never got the chance. It's been a long time since he died, so I'm totally comfortable talking about it. He was a heavy drinker and a heavy smoker. He had 2 heart attacks, one he survived, one he didn't. He passed away a month and a half before my sister was born. And I tell her all the time, he would have loved you. Like, he was a very nice guy. He loved to fish. That's where I get my love of fishing from. It's from my papa. My sister, when she was born, we had names picked out. We had, Harley Jean, and I think we had Samantha for one of them. And I look right at the people in the room, my mom, my dad, and my meme, and my nana, and I look right at him and I say, well, her name is Ashley Ann Nichol, of course. Which, well, then it was. So I named my sister. How many siblings can say that? So I'm gonna have some people come on and say my best and worst qualities. The first person is one of my friends, Emily.
One of William's best qualities is the fact that he cares about everyone. He's very compassionate about his friends, and he constantly assures them that he's always going to be there for them. He's very upbeat most of the time, and he's a really supportive person, and he really tries his best to be there for everybody that he can while still taking care of himself, and I really respect that about him. One of his worst qualities is that he swears a lot.
So now I'm in a technical center in Barrett, Vermont. Good God, do I love it. I never want to leave. My instructor's name is Matthew Bingino. Shout out to him. He's absolutely amazing. And I love it here. I've met so many awesome people. And I always dreaded school. I'm like, school. Yuck. Gross. I don't want to go. I don't want to be around these teenagers. I don't want to be part of this drama. I don't want to be part of this bull crap. But going to the technical center and meeting all these wonderful people, I never want to leave. I'm going to be sad when summer comes around because I never want to leave this place. And to all of you who are in the technical center, whatever program you're in, y'all are awesome. And I love each and every one of you because you guys are absolutely amazing, and you're amazing human beings. So that's my story so far. Let's see where life takes me next.